Samsung is just a month away from the launching of the Galaxy Note 10, but we don't know everything about the phone. Thanks for the leak. However, till we just saw leaks and renders based on the leaks, but never got a peek at the actual device. The first image is of the boot screen of the device, which mentions that the device will be called Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and not Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro, as the leak had indicated so far. Reliable leaksters like OnLeaks, who have released the CAD renders of the Pro variant, has retweeted the images, implying that the leaks do line up properly with what has been revealed about the highest spec variant of the device. As can be seen in the image, the upcoming flagship Samsung phablet will have an Infinity O display with the cutout positioned at the center and not on the upper right corner like Samsung Galaxy S10 series phones. And unlike the Galaxy S10 Plus, which has a dual front cameras, the Note 10 Plus will only have a single camera on the front. The third image, which suffers from the severe motion blur, confirms the presence of the vertical stacked triple camera setup on the back of the phone. You can also count at least 3 of the rear cameras as well as the LED flash. All of these details line up perfectly with the leaked renders. The Galaxy Note 10 series is expected to launch sometime in the August, as a tradition with the recent Note series launches. We know that there will be multiple Note 10 models, including 5G variant, that will be available on Verizon. The Note 10 series will also be the first flagship series from the Samsung that would not come with a headphone jack.